Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to disconnect Facebook from Mobile Legends. So first of all, here you just need to open up your ML account and then tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner of your screen to basically open up your profile settings. So from here, you just need to tap on the account right here at the bottom left. And here you'll find all your connected accounts. So basically tap on account center right there at the right side of your screen, and then under account center tap on disconnect third party account. So basically here, if you want to disconnect your Facebook account, just need to tap on your Facebook account, and then you just need to tap on disconnect via connected account. So make sure that you have connected to another account to basically disconnect your Facebook account. So that's all. That's how you basically disconnect Facebook from Mobile Legends. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.